Hello, Miss Tabitha. I am going to share what I am doing right now. I am making my water kefir. And you can see, well, get down here. There's little grains in this jar. So that is my culture. That's my water kefir culture. And this is a jar of fresh, clean water, filtered water, and I put 1/4 cup of sugar in there. 1/4 cup of sugar and dissolved it and filled it up about right there with water. And so this is my culture. This is the jar I'm going to put it in. And then now you can use a quart jar. You can use a pint jar like this is. So this is about a pint. So that's about the same amount. So since I have a pint of the cultured fermented water, I'm just going to use this small KeVita bottle. Okay, so in my KeVita bottle, I put a little bit of lemon juice, which was frozen into an ice cube. So I'm going to guess maybe a tablespoon. I don't know, it might be a little bit more. It might really be too much lemon, but my ice cube, I would guess, might have been a little bit more than a tablespoon. So something like that. And then I am going to, which I forgot to go do that before I started filming, but I'm going to get some mint leaves out of my garden, and I'm going to put some mint in there. And lemon mint makes the best water kefir, I think. And other people have told me the same thing. So I am going to, I don't know if I can do this with one hand, but I'm going to strain this fermented water into the jar using my strainer. So I might have to set my phone down. Let me see if I can prop it somewhere. I don't know if I can. Maybe you can see that. All right, so I'm just going to pour this in here. Okay, so now I just have the grains in my strainer. And I'm going to pour the grains into my clean water. And that is all you have to do. So then I'm going to cover it. I have a piece of cloth that I've used for years. I would just wash it when it gets dirty, and I have like 5 or 6 of these cut up. And just keep it tight so gnats or anything don't fly in it. And so there you have it. That's my new batch. I'm making a quart jar this time. So you might have noticed I went from a pint jar to a quart jar. So when I used my pint jar, I just used 2 tablespoons of sugar. So in the quart, I have a 1/4 cup. And then you will let that set for 24 hours or 30 hours, something like that. And then it'll be ready to drink. So this right here, I say ready to drink, forget that. This right here is what I'm going to put the mint in. And after I get the mint, I'll put the lid on really tight, make sure it's good tight, and let it set for 2 days. And then after 2 days, you can chill it and drink it, and it will be ready. So after it sits in the culture, 24 hours or 30 hours, pour it into another jar with whatever flavor you want, and then seal it real tight. So you notice that's just loose. It's not tight. So then this one is sealed real tight, and let it set for 2 days. Then chill and drink. So hopefully that showed you a little bit how it's done.